Hi, this is Coach Colette, host of the Start Within podcast, and welcome to this week's episode of Financial Fridays. Well, I would love to wish a Merry Christmas to all who are celebrating today. And I also wanted to share a message about Kwanzaa, which begins tomorrow, December 26th, and ends next Friday, January 1st. Kwanzaa is an African American and Pan-African holiday that celebrates family, community, and culture. It was created in 1966 by Dr. Maulana Karenga, a professor of Africana studies. During Kwanzaa, we organize activities around the 7 principles, starting with Umoja, which is for unity, Kujichagulia, which is self-determination, Ujima, collective work and responsibility, Ujamaa, cooperative economics, Nia, or purpose, Kumba, or creativity, and Imani, which represents faith. It's often celebrated with feasts, music, dance, poetry, and the holiday ends with a day dedicated to reflection and recommitment to those 7 principles and our cultural values. So I wanted to start off this Kwanzaa holiday season by wishing everyone a happy Kwanzaa. We know that Umoja, or unity, is the first and foundational principle of Kwanzaa. It's both a principle and practice of togetherness in all things good and of mutual benefit. So that includes family unity, intergenerational unity, community unity, and cultural unity. So I hope that during this holiday season of Kwanzaa that you are able to find ways to be unified and to connect with family, friends, loved ones, and your community. Wishing you all the best. Now get ready and listen up to today's tip from Singh.
Hello everyone, this is Singh, aka Investing, of the Investing Podcast with your weekly Financial Friday tip. Now is the time to get your finances straight and get your budgets in for next year and review how your investments have performed over the past year. Also, if you can categorize your financial information and see where you spent your money the past year, that would be great so you can have a plan to either reduce spending and grow your wealth over time. With that said, that is your weekly Financial Friday tip, and I'll speak to you soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's Coach Colette. Are you feeling overwhelmed or stressed out from this year? I know, it's been a lot, and we've got your back, particularly if you are a woman of color. I invite you to join your other sisters who have already signed up for the beta test of our new mental health chatbot called Libby. Libby is a chatbot that provides user-friendly, effective support powered by artificial intelligence and EFT tapping. During the beta test, you'll be able to tap with Libby whenever you need a quick dose of healing using this proven method of mental health self-care. You'll get the chance to give us feedback on the bot design and features while learning all about the benefits of EFT tapping. To sign up, visit bit.ly/tapwithlibby to join this beta test. I look forward to tapping with you. Hey, it's Coach Colette. Wanted to share some additional reflections for this last Friday of 2020. I hope that you are enjoying some rest and some relaxation and hopefully some good food and some great company, even if it is virtual. Last week, I shared some reflection statements that were looking back on the rear view of 2020. And now I'd like to share some reflection statements that can help you to begin to look forward into 2021. Again, you don't need to feel like you are pressured to get all of your intentions created by the first. It really is a process of easing into the new year that I suggest. And hopefully some of the questions that I have been sharing are helpful for you. So you may want to look at some of the statements that you wrote down from last week, reflecting about 2020. And so the first question is, what do you want to bring with you into 2021? And you can think about that in terms of mindset. You can think about that in terms of connections or people. You can think about that in terms of projects or things that you are working on. Think about the things that have gone well in 2020 that you would like to carry forward into 2021. Think about how is it that you would like to feel in 2021? What are the emotions? What are the feelings? What are the sentiments that you would like to feel in the new year? And lastly, consider what is it that you would like to achieve or manifest in 2021? And you can think about that across the spectrum of aspects of your life, whether that's your personal relationships, your health, your finances, your career or business pursuits, your hobbies. Think as broadly as you would like to. And again, this is easing into this visioning process and allowing yourself to just jot down whatever comes up. So I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And guess what? When I speak to you again, we'll be in 2021. So here's a very early Happy New Year. If you enjoyed this episode and haven't already subscribed, you can do so on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you like to listen. You also can connect with me on Instagram at Coach_Colette for more inspiration on personal growth and wellness. Want to help us create more great content and host more live podcast events? Then join our Start Within tribe and support this podcast with a small donation to help sustain our future episodes. Visit anchor.fm/coach-colette/support to get started today. You know, this podcast is truly my passion project, and I really appreciate your continued support. Get ready to start within to finish strong.